issue here. He is also doing a wonderful job. You just see that, ladies and gentlemen, that there is no hesitation, there is no difference in doing the work in the service of humanity, in the service of brethren, in the service of people. They are very, very, very perfect. These are the youngsters of tomorrow, and they are the young boys who are doing this job. You just see that these are Faridabad people, these are Kashmiri Pandits. They are here and they are now doing this job, and also at the same time having this breakfast in the morning times, and everybody give a big smile. What's the message that you want to give? Message kya? Blessings kya message din? Ashirwad. That's great. So what's your name?
Nancy Gandhi.
Oh, great, Mara, great. Thank you. God bless you. God bless you. So they are all. She is Sushma ji, Sushma Kalla. What do you want to say? What do you want to say? You want to bless?
It's amazing, a new experience.
A new experience, a new feeling.
Yeah, new
Kashir
feeling.
put.
No feeling, no tajruba.
So how you enjoy the breakfast in the morning?
Very nice. So
Very
rich,
nice.
well organized.
Oh, excellent. Everything.
Aşağı varın ki.
Ha, vanunca vanunca. Könü yoksa vanunca. Vanunca könü yoksa.
Asmara şimdi bana kıyorduk.
Gosh, God bless you. God bless you. You want to say anything, Mara? No. Now catch. Sunita Rana, God bless you. Yes, sir. So you have enjoyed the breakfast. Everything was good.
Yes.
Oh, good.
By God's grace.
Sunita, Kher, Trisal. Secretary, Manu, na? So should I give him to cut blessings? Yes, sir. Karni. Bhagwan Karun Bajaj. So that is what exactly, ladies and gentlemen, as I told you, I'm coming again and again, that back to the person who is in this Kashmiri Farhan, because this is the attire that we are having. This is our culture and this is our dress. You just see that he is completely engrossed in his job, and he's a young man, he's a youngster. He is not hesitant. He is the boy of the tomorrow, and he is the boy of the future. And this is the inspiration that all of us Kashmiri Pandits, Kashmiri should get, that while serving the community, while serving the people, and that too in your